Welcome back, friends. Today I'm sharing high-end fall and home decor dupes you need, all affordable finds that give you that designer look for so much less. Whether you're decorating for the fall season or simply love a cozy, elevated style, you'll love what I found. If you're new here, I'm Sonia. Welcome to my home channel where I share beautiful, budget-friendly home decorating ideas, seasonal finds, and Pottery Barn inspired dupes to help you create a home you love without breaking the bank. So grab a warm drink, get cozy, and let's dive into some incredible fall decor dupes and high-end looks for less that I recently discovered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a stylish find. The original plan was to visit multiple Dollaramas and share all the different fall decor dupes that they're offering this season. But after checking out 3 locations, the last one had only 2 small shelves of seasonal home decor. That said, I still found some great items worth sharing, and I've also included a few other high-end home decor finds I came across. So let's get started. First up here's what they did have in the fall section. Right away, I spotted these ceramic salt and pepper shakers, which are such a great dupe for a salt set that Pottery Barn carries. The Pottery Barn version comes with a tray, but these are just $4.25, a big price difference. They also had a lovely selection of pumpkins. Last year, Dollarama didn't offer these rich new tones, but maybe not the purple one for me, but the rest are beautiful. These could easily pass as bowl fillers like the ones that Pottery Barn sells. You can also paint them to suit your decor. There were tons of velvet pumpkins, and while they're a lot more expensive than Michael's, which I showed in recent Shop With Me videos, these are great budget-friendly alternative. The glass pumpkins are another standout, perfect for adding twinkle lights or using as jars. They even had pumpkin-shaped glass jars, which would be so cute as a homemade candles. And I also spotted these small colored vases, which almost give me that amber looking glass vibe. Um, it's not true amber glass, but they give, like I said, a similar vibe. There were also polka dot pumpkins, Sherpa pumpkins, and stacked pumpkins that really give off that Pottery Barn pillow vibe. I loved this wooden pumpkin, very simple but stylish. And they also had small Sherpa pumpkins as well. And I DIY'd lots of these pumpkins. They are a great barn dupe. You can paint them to better suit your palette, or if you want to replicate the colors that the Pottery Barn has. These pumpkins are perfect, and they come in many different styles and shapes and sizes. And these stock pumpkins, which look pretty heavy, but were surprisingly lightweight, but very pretty. Over in the floral section, it wasn't super stocked, but they had few lovely options. The eucalyptus stems are the same ones I used last year. I also spotted this lovely leafy branch, which was a only one item, and I hope that they do bring more of them because I absolutely love them. They also had olive branches too, quite long, and just $3.75, making them a great high-end look-alike. Not the stubby, they're not the stubby one. Their wheat isn't my favorite. It looked a bit plasticky. But I did find leaf branches in two colors. One was too bright for my taste, but the other one was a spot on and a great Pottery Barn dupe. I also came across this adorable mini lamp for $5. These light plug-in lamps are a big trend right now, perfect for under cabinet or corner countertop lighting. You can swap the shades too if you want something a little more custom. Next were these glass trays. They reminded me of something you find at Magnolia or Heart and Hand. They didn't have the lids, but you could DIY one if you feel crafty. Even as a standalone piece, they're really pretty. And they do have LED string lights, 10 meters for $4.75 or 1.9 meter version for $1.50. Great for adding a warm twinkle to your fall setup. I found these cloches, which Pottery Barn uses often in their Halloween decor, and I'll be sharing a DIY project on my DIY channel using one, so stay tuned for that. And these wooden boxes for $3.50 are a great dupe for all the boxes that are now popular. You could totally wrap them in Dollar Tree fall leather for a chic high-end leather box look. Super trendy right now. The pillows were giving total Pottery Barn vibes, and most of them were only $5. For that price, it's hard to beat the style and size. I also love the French throw blankets, absolutely a McGee and Co inspired look. Now, of course, the quality isn't identical, but they still feel soft and cozy. If you're decorating on a tight budget, these are a smart way to get the look. They had placemats for $4.50. You can paint these if you want a deeper color, but always check online for better deals on sets. But these are great in a pinch. And their table runners have definitely improved in quality since last year. And I found some mats for $4.75 that I think are perfect for laying on your front porch. They had few nice patterns and felt like a solid deal for the size and design. I was excited to see their selection of tapered candle holders, especially the scalloped ones for just $2. They totally mimic Pottery Barn's high-end options. They also had clear glass versions and beautiful tapered candles, including some fun colored shapes. I do love these twisted ones. They are a perfect dupe for the Pottery Barn ones. Another little gem were these mugs that look almost identical to ones you find at Pottery Barns as cups. And finally, these heavy blue plates, they are $3 each and feel really solid. Dollar Tree carries similar ones too, but these have more weight and are so on trend with the Pottery Barn look. I hope you enjoyed this roundup of fall high-end home decor dupes. Even though the fall section was smaller than expected, there were still so many pieces you can style beautifully this season. Let me know in the comments which dupes was your favorite, or if you've spotted any great ones I should check out next. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a cozy decorating video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.